I'm Sneh Kumar. I'm the Director of Global Sustainability for Kawneer. I've been with the company for 18 years in various roles, designing, commercializing, and marketing. One of my Kawneer career highlights has been the development of OptiQ window platform, which was industry's first R5 architectural grade window based on aluminum framing system. In this new role, I have the responsibility for developing and implementing our sustainability strategy. We want to be able to offer increasingly sustainable products. Part of this role would involve a product design and certification, improving the resource efficiency, optimizing our manufacturing footprint, and also ensuring transparency in our supply chain. I think sustainability will become an important factor in the construction sector, from architects to builders to building owners to tenants. There will be increasing demand for sustainable solutions, and companies which can provide these solutions will have a competitive edge. As industry leader, we will continue to provide products and solutions to continue advancing sustainability in the building and construction sector.